Is your skin feeling tight, itchy, or painfully dry these days? Do you wake up with that dull, flaky look no matter how much cream you apply? Or maybe your hands and face feel rough, like your skin is slowly losing its shine. If yes, stay with me. Because today, as a skin specialist, I'll explain exactly why this happens in winter or even in summer, and a scientifically proven home remedy you can start right after this video. Dry skin isn't just a seasonal inconvenience. It's actually a biological response. Your skin telling you that the protective barrier on top, called the stratum corneum, is damaged or dehydrated. When this barrier weakens, the skin loses water faster than it can hold on to it. Dermatologists call this transepidermal water loss. But what causes this damage? Let's break it down. Most people think dry skin only happens in winter. And yes, winter is a major culprit. When temperatures drop and humidity falls, the air becomes thirsty. It pulls moisture out of your skin. Then enters the heater inside your home, which dries the air even more. Together, these conditions strip the skin of its natural oils, leaving it cracked, tight, and flaky. However, many people are surprised to learn that summer can be just as damaging. Hot weather increases sweat, but sweat evaporates quickly and leaves your skin dehydrated. Sun exposure also weakens the lipid barrier, making your skin lose hydration at a much faster rate. And if you're spending time in air-conditioned rooms, that cold, dry air continues pulling moisture from your skin throughout the day. But dryness isn't caused only by the weather. Research shows that harsh soaps, long hot showers, aging, certain medications, and low-fat diets can all reduce the skin's natural oil layer. Even stress affects the skin barrier and can worsen dryness. And here is something important. Most people try to fix dryness by applying random creams or washing their face repeatedly. But this often makes the problem worse because true dryness begins inside the skin barrier, not on the surface. So, how do you fix it? Let me give you a home remedy that is supported by dermatology research and is gentle, safe, and surprisingly effective. This remedy has 3 parts: barrier repair, deep hydration, and moisture locking. 1. Barrier repair using oatmeal paste. Colloidal oatmeal has been studied for decades. It contains beta-glucan and avenanthramides, which soothe irritation and repair the skin barrier naturally. How to make it. Take 2 tablespoons of plain oats, grind them into a powder, and mix with warm, not hot, water to form a paste. How to use it. Apply to your face or dry areas for 10 to 12 minutes. Rinse gently. This not only reduces dryness, but also calms inflammation and itching. 2. Deep hydration. Aloe plus honey hydrating layer. Aloe vera gel contains mucopolysaccharides, natural hydrating molecules that bind water to the skin. Honey is a humectant, meaning it pulls moisture from the air and traps it inside your skin. How to prepare. Mix 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel with 1 teaspoon raw honey. Massage gently over your skin and leave it on for 15 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water. This combination provides deep hydration and reduces microscopic cracks in the skin barrier. 3. Moisture locking, natural oil layer. Dermatology journals consistently highlight the importance of occlusives, ingredients that seal moisture into the skin. The best home options are almond oil, jojoba oil, or even olive oil. How to apply. Right after washing your face, when your skin is still slightly damp, take 3 to 4 drops of any of these oils and spread them lightly. These oils mimic your skin's natural lipids, sealing hydration for hours. Additional research-based tips. Use lukewarm water instead of hot water. Hot water strips natural oils in seconds. Avoid harsh soaps. Use gentle cleansers with a pH of 5.5. Drink enough water, especially during winter when you don't feel thirsty. Add healthy fats, like walnuts, almonds, and omega-3 rich foods to support skin repair internally. If you use a heater or AC, keep a bowl of water in the room to maintain humidity. Apply moisturizer within 60 seconds after washing your face. This is called the golden minute rule, proven to reduce dryness dramatically. So if your skin has been feeling dull, rough, tight, or irritated, remember, it's not just the winter or summer heat, it's your skin barrier asking for help. Start this simple, research-supported remedy, and within a few days, you'll notice softer, smoother, and healthier-looking skin. Take care of your skin today, and it will thank you tomorrow.